Now then, how you doing? Colin at Shine. Just had a phone call about a Renault 25 that's been parked in a drive for a long time. We've got a chance of buying it. So what we're going to do, we're just finishing the job now in the garage, and me and Sam are going to fly down and have a look at it. So we thought make a bit of a video and let's see what it's like. We've not seen it yet, so in about 20 minutes time we'll head down to where it is and have a look at it. See you soon. Well, that's it, right? We're on our way to look at the Renault 25 we've had a phone call about. So I think we're nearly there, we're not too far away now. So yeah, getting excited. Here we are. Renault 25.
I don't want to put a full can in it.
What up, girl? Don't want to go, you see.
Just done before, didn't it?